day here in Madrid, Spain. We are at the Plaza Mayor, getting something to eat real quick. We've had a very long, exhausting trip. Just adventurous, fun, because it's something new and different for us. But we're working on maybe 3 hours of sleep for the past 48 hours. So we're gonna get some grub and then go take a nap and be ready for the nightlife. We are in Madrid, Spain. We're going to find some dinner and loving this place. The architecture here is awesome. The culture. McDonald's everywhere you go, and Burger King. We are rested up, and now we're gonna see the city. Oh, that looks really good. Okay, so I'm in the market and I am getting ready to taste this wonderful, delectable. It's like something sweet, jelly like pineapple. Yeah, pineapple in it. It's jelly too. Oh, is it good? It's pretty good. Yummy. It has shrimp, some type of like jelly or jam. Muy good. Muy bueno. Tasty. Man, like a little crab thing.
And San Miguel market here in Madrid, Spain has not disappointed at all. I am in like market heaven, no joke. Like, this is awesome. Sitting out in the square or area doing al fresco near the Mercado San Miguel, and it's just a nice, easy going atmosphere. Would y'all agree? Nice, easy. Yeah,
yes, very nice. It's right behind you.
Yeah, they have the Starbucks. They have this huge board, OMG, talking about milk. Oh, oatmeal milk. Anyway, so I'm about to indulge here in some garlic shrimp. I gotta taste shrimp everywhere I go. What can I say? So this is shrimp and garlic sauce, and as we were tasting the sauce with the bread, we realized that it was a bit more salty than what we are accustomed to. But as Mup says, it has layers because the spice hit us.
You got the garlic and the butter.
The garlic, the oil and butter. And the pepper. Yeah. But I tasted the salt like right away. Like that was very prominent in the beginning. And the shrimp.
Y'all scoop the shrimp and it ain't scoop.
It's different. And all I can say about that.
Oh, price charging. My dreams. About to make my nose run. Jesus. Spicy.
Yeah.
I like it though. It's spicy.
Yep.
It's the whole thing.